The GameStop trade happened 2 weeks after the storming of the Capitol building. That is the start of the story.
I think we're approaching a social collapse. This could have broken Wall Street and the entire system.
The American dream is still a thing. I would call it a digital dream now.
There's an entire generation of people who grew up on memes.
They're comfortable losing all of that year's savings on one bet, because that's the world of gaming that they've grown up in. We can live entirely in a digital world. That in itself is incredibly empowering. This is the start of the avatar revolution.
There is now enough people that they can move markets.
We have the power to do anything that we want.
There is this herd mentality, the mob forms. Normal rules of society stop applying.
Whenever any of these groups hit a fever pitch, this anarchist utopia comes out. We'll be better off if we take down whatever our target is.
This is a war that we're in, and we might not come back.
Enter crypto.
Crypto.
I'm getting into crypto.
Crypto. It's kind of like an ant colony. You just can't stop it from happening.
You'd have to go in and control the flow of electricity.
I think you have to make it illegal.
Dogecoin? What the hell is Dogecoin?
69 days later, I became a millionaire.
It feels like a chance to have a leveling of the playing field.
What you really have is a bunch of people coming together in a short-term way for short-term gain.
The concern is it could be a house of cards.
The real insurrection happened when 300,000 people decided to take on Wall Street. They were the ones who had real power.
The government is allowing this to happen.
You're not going to feed the serfs. Serfs are going to uprise.
We don't need someone else telling us how to live.
This is a historic moment.
This genie doesn't go back in the bottle. This is the new normal.
Let's take it to the limit.